Hey friends, if you wish to check the shutdown and startup log in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I have a command here. I have shared it in the description section of the video. This is basically picking up the details from the event manager, everything under the 1074 ID. So simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. The normal command prompt, not the elevated one. It doesn't matter. Paste it here and hit enter, and you'll get all the details: the date, the time, the event ID, which is the one for shutdown logs, the username with which the login happened, or the username with which you were logged in, and the process. Okay, so and the shutdown type, it was powered off, it was not restarted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.